go copy 26 King Wavy merch. Link is down in the description below. Click the link, it's gonna take you over to the website. Use discount code 360juice26 for 26% off your brushes and do-rags. And for your hair care products, use discount code 360juice2020 to get 10% off. Stay wavy, Juice Mafia. God bless. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm back with another video. So by the title, you already know what this video is gonna be about. So without further ado, let's get right into it.
They ain't sick of me rapping. They know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam. I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright, y'all, welcome back. Alright, so I've been getting a lot of questions, man. Should I wash my hair after the haircut, or should I wait 2-3 days after the haircut to wash my hair? Is it good to wash your hair after your haircut? The answer to that is yes and no. I say no because usually before haircut, like day before haircut, you wash your hair. Alright, so if you're a coarse hair waver, you want to stay away from shampoo and everything. If you're a straight hair waver, that's different. Alright, straight hair wavers can wash their hair almost every day, but coarse hair and medium hair wavers, our hair texture is not made for that. So we want to stay away from shampoo, because shampoo, what it does is it dries out your hair and it's bad. It kills the natural oils that you have in your hair. So if you wash your hair the day before a haircut, then you shouldn't wash it after you get the haircut the next day, because that's adding too much shampoo to your hair. You should wait at least 2 to 3 days after the haircut to wash your hair. Now I understand there's a lot of dead hair on your head after the haircut, but that's what you got to deal with if you wash your hair the day before a haircut. Now that's my reasoning for no, you should not wash your hair after a haircut. Now I say yes, you can wash your hair after a haircut, because you could actually wash your hair 2 days before the haircut and not apply any products. Now that gives you a decent amount of time in between to wash your hair right after the haircut. A lot of people like to wash their hair right before the haircut because they don't like going 2 to 3 days without moisturizing the hair. But just so you know, you can add a little bit of oil, just add some shine and to add some moisture into your hair. You don't have to moisturize and put in some butter and pomade and stuff. Oil will do just fine. So if you wash your hair 2 days before the haircut, put in a little bit of oil every day until the haircut day. You can actually come home and wash your hair right after the haircut. And a lot of people could actually wait 1 day, because when you get a blackout, that rinses out really quickly. So if you're going somewhere special, you want to leave that blackout in and go to that place, and when you come home, then you can proceed to washing your hair. So these are my reasons to why you should and should not wash your hair after haircut. I hope this video answered this question for a lot of you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm out of here. Peace.